Welcome to the Data Entry Operations lesson on creating presentation. In this lesson, you will learn about starting a PowerPoint program, creating presentations, viewing slides, design tips, working with slides, working with text, saving and printing. Alright, let's imagine you're standing in front of a crowd, ready to share your amazing ideas. That's what a presentation is all about, communication. Whether it's a speech, a classroom lecture, or even a computer conference, presentations are your ticket to making your thoughts heard. A presentation has 4 elements. First, there's you, the star of the show. Then there's your audience, hanging on your every word. Of course, your message is the main act. And Microsoft PowerPoint is your tool to create the presentation of your dreams. Imagine PowerPoint as your creative playground. It's a tool that helps you build awesome slides. Each slide is like a mini story, bringing your ideas to life. You start with a blank slate, a blank presentation. You've got options to choose, installed templates for a quick and snazzy start. Templates are like pre-designed outfits for your slides. Just pick the one that matches your style. Next, design templates are your go-to. They're like the fancy hats and sunglasses that make your slides look super cool. Just pick your favorite design, and you're ready to rock the presentation runway. But, if you are creative, go for a blank presentation. You're the artist, and the slide is your canvas. Paint it with your imagination, and let your ideas flow freely. Now, slide layouts are like blueprints for your slides. Want to start with a bold title? Choose the title slide. Need to list things under a main idea? Go for title and content. Got a major section? Section header is your buddy. Let's not forget the texts, tables, and charts that you can add to your slides. And, if you want to dazzle your audience, add some multimedia elements like clip art, sound effects, music, and even video clips. If you're feeling nostalgic, you can open an existing presentation and give it a fresh twist. It's like taking your favorite story and giving it a new ending. Now, imagine PowerPoint as your creative playground, where you can bring your ideas to life in the most epic way. Each slide is a canvas, waiting for your magic touch. You've got 3 views in PowerPoint: Normal, Slide Sorter, and Slideshow. Normal and Slide Sorter help you build your masterpiece, while Slideshow is all about wowing the crowd. Find these views at the bottom right or under the View menu. Let's get to know more about these views. First up, the normal view, your creative playground. It's like having a superhero base with 3 sections: the main window for your slide, the outline pane on the left, and the notes pane at the bottom. It's where all the magic happens. Now, say hello to Slide Sorter view. It's like having a bird's eye view of all your slides. You can rearrange, add effects, and make your presentation dance. Finally, the slideshow view is like a front row seat to your presentation's grand premiere. Here, everything, sounds, animations, and even those cool hyperlinks, come to life. It's like the Broadway of your ideas. Alright, it's time to design like a pro. 3 tips to rock your presentation. Contrasting colors. Pick colors that pop, so your text shines. Readable fonts. Big font sizes are the heroes. Aim for 24 points or more. Less is more. Keep it simple. Short phrases, easy to read. You can also use cool slide transitions, but don't go overboard. Too much flair can be a distraction, like wearing sunglasses indoors. Avoid the clutter monster. Don't overcrowd your slides with too much text or graphics. Your audience should focus on your genius, not get lost in a jungle of information. Time to work the slide magic. Slides are the building blocks of your presentation. They're like puzzle pieces that create a beautiful picture. Now, let's get ready to design. Apply design templates like a fashionista choosing an outfit. Just head to the Design tab and pick the one that suits your vibe. And don't forget about the slide layouts. They're like blueprints for your slides. Choose wisely based on your content. It's like picking the right tool for the job. But you're not stuck with what's there. You can add, edit, and customize slides. It's like being a magician crafting your show. And if you're an outline fan, the outlining tool lets you create slides with ease. Just type away, and PowerPoint works its magic. Now, let's talk about text. It's your way of speaking to the universe. PowerPoint makes it a breeze. You can also jazz up your text using format fonts like a pro. Bigger is better, go for 24 points or more for that wow factor. Finally, level it up with numbered and bulleted lists. It's like a recipe for organized awesomeness. And remember, your presentation is your canvas. Customize text box properties, add notes for your eyes only, and spell check like a word wizard. Okay, let's dive into the last chapters of our presentation tale, saving and printing your masterpiece. Imagine you've just crafted the most dazzling presentation. Now, it's time to give it a cozy home. First up, we've got page setup. Just like a master chef preparing their kitchen before cooking up a storm, you've got to set up your page before saving or printing your slides. Now, let's talk about saving as a file. It's like putting your artwork in a frame. Select Office button, then click on Save As, and pick a folder for your presentation to chill in. Now, let's go global and say hello to Save As web page. It's like making your presentation internet famous. People can admire your masterpiece even without PowerPoint. Next is printing. It's like turning your virtual brilliance into real magic. Head to the print dialog box and customize your print options. You're the director of your print show. You can choose your print range and print all the slides, just one, or a few selected ones. It's like having your pick of the coolest stickers for your presentation scrapbook. And here comes the print what. Choose how your slides will appear on paper, full-page slides, handouts with multiple slides per page, notes pages, or even the presentation outline. Finally, we have to close the document. Closing a document is like saying goodbye to your masterpiece, but only for now. Select Office button, then close, and if you've got unsaved changes, you get a notification. Time to save the day and hit save. And when you are ready to drop the mic, exit the PowerPoint program. It's like turning off the stage lights after a legendary performance. Select Office button, then exit PowerPoint, and there you have it, a curtain call on your presentation journey. And with that, we wrap up this informative lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.